Hello, today we are here to show you how to make a iced latte with the Nespresso machine using the Leggro coffee pods that are from Nespresso, especially made for iced coffee. This is an iced Leggro, which is the equivalent of about 2 shots of espresso. So I'm going to show you how I make my iced latte, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I'm going to use a iced Leggro capsule from Nespresso. And here's the box that it comes with when you buy them from Nespresso. Beautiful blue color, especially made for iced coffees. And I'm going to use almond milk because that's what I like. You could use any kind of milk. Regular milk, almond milk, coconut milk, oat milk. Choose your milk. This is what I'm going to choose. And to give it a little sweetness, I'm going to use Latte condensed milk. You can use anything to sweeten your iced latte. You can use sugar. You can use syrups or any other kind of flavoring or sweetener. So first we're going to make the coffee. Super easy. You just pop in your capsule, brew your coffee. And while that is brewing, I'm going to get my cup ready. So this is the cup I'm going to use. The way I make it is I make sure I put the condensed milk, because this is kind of sweet and creamy. So I put some at the bottom. Just enough to give it a little flavor and a little sweetness. You can use as much or as little as you like. Then I'm going to pour my almond milk. And if you notice, these Starbucks cups have these lines, and actually these are really good guides for you when you make your coffee. I found that if I put too little or too much milk, it doesn't taste great. So for me, using the second line as a guide for my milk is actually what has tasted the best. So there it is. I have my milk up until this, a little over, but that's okay. So sweetener's in there, milk is in there. Now I'm going to pour my coffee. It's still a little hot, so you can either wait a little bit to cool down if you don't want it to melt your ice, or you can always put it in the refrigerator. I just pour it in there because I don't want to wait. So I just pour my coffee in there. Then I take my straw and I like to mix it up. So I'm mixing up the condensed milk, the milk with the coffee. Just get it all mixed in. And since the milk is a little bit cold, it'll cool down the coffee. So I mix it up. And once I think it's mixed up really, really well, I will add my ice. And I use these really big, chunky ice cubes that I found a tray at the dollar store. So 2 of them is usually good because the little ice cubes melt really fast. These last a long time. So I pour that in there. Mix it up really good so it'll get cold. I'm making a mess. And there you have it. You put your lid and you give it a taste. You don't need Starbucks. Make your own iced lattes at. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more how-to recipes and ideas on coffee. Really quick, easy, super duper easy. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you all next week. Make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you are having your cafecito time. Bye.